Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to boost your microphone. And first of all, we go right in the bottom, right mouse click, and then go to sound settings. Then from here, we scroll down and we click on more sound settings. Then we click here on recording, right mouse click on microphone, properties, levels, and right here we can change the volume if you want to do that. 50 is fine for now, you can change it to whatever you want, but this is the first step. How to boost your microphone volume. Then the second way is we go to Google Chrome and make sure that you download the Equalizer APO. After downloading this application, you can start it up like this. Go to the system right here. Then we do yes, no, no. And then right now, if you can see, it's just standing on normal for decibels. But right now, if you click here and change this to 40, you see this red piece right here, and you can hear me exactly now. Now it's back and now my voice is normal again, but this is the second method how you can boost your microphone on Windows 11. Hopefully this was a video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.